Okay, today we're going to do the assembly of the 4408, the 4108 DirectAire sidewall inlet. Take the one end cap, we're going to lay it down here. Take one of the profiles. This particular one has the slot for the hinge, and you can see where the bottom of the inlet has to go. You can't really put these together wrong, so you just slide that down into the proper place into the end cap. We take the other one, slide it down into the other side over those fingers. And I set it down like this. Now I'm going to take the hinge. This is the hinge material. There's a groove here for it. Slide that hinge material down into that groove. Let it go down all the way. We take the blade. The blade actually has a groove in it too that fits the other side of this hinge. And we just slide that down onto that hinge. Push it down all the way. Take our other end cap. Tap it into place. I lay it back up on the table. Just take a rubber mallet, tap these end pieces in until these holes line up. Once the holes are lined up, drive the plastic nails into place. Go over and do the other side. Tap it into place. Drive the nails in. Flip it over, line up our holes, drive our nails in. Okay, now that we've got it all assembled, take your blade, move it up and down, make sure it drops open freely. This one does. Okay, now that we've got our inlet assembled here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to install it into the wall. We've went ahead and we've already cut our rough opening in here. You'll have to check your instructions to make sure you have the right rough opening for the right inlet. But this one here is the 4408, and we're going to go ahead and stick it into the wall to put together. And then I like to take and mount the end caps. And what we're using here is it's a 2-inch wood screw. It's actually the same style as screw that you use for like putting steel on the side of a building, but it's just a simple 2-inch screw with a little washer on it. Okay, now we got the end cap screwed into place. We're going to go ahead, we're going to put one along the bottom, just right in the bottom or the center of the profile. Make sure our profile here is straight along and it looks good. Okay, now we're going to take and we're going to mount the top across here, and we want to push this top up about 1/4 inch. Then go ahead and mount that in the center here. And what that does is when I raise the center, it allows, when I close the inlet, it's going to actually hit on the outside corners, and then it will pull the center in. It just helps with sealing the inlet shut when it's in the closed position. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to install this pulley. It's what we use to pull the door shut. And usually you close it, line it up with the hole here. Okay, once we've got that done, now we're going to take our string, our pull string, run it through the hole of the blade, run it through our pulley, and basically just take and try it. The door should open and shut real freely, and this one's working really good. So now you're ready to go ahead and pull your pull line through and anchor that up. And then once you do have this installed, we do want to make sure and caulk this. This needs to be caulked all the way around the perimeter. Seal it up so we don't get any air leaking around the outside or around this housing. We want all the air to come through the hole of the inlet. Okay, the last thing we're going to want to do is, and this is a shut off that will allow you to shut the door so it can't come open if you want to close off a few of them, but this is a shut off. You just take and you screw it just above the top of the inlet here. Okay, then you just screw it in there until it holds the blade shut. There, you got your inlet shut so it can't open. Turn it all the way up, and then it allows the inlet to open and shut.